All right. Good morning, everyone. I'm Sean Tinney with Unisys. For those of you who don't know us, we've been in the CMS, TMS business for over 40 years. And what I'm going to show you today is our newest solution called Unisys Logistics Optimization. This is designed to be a single pane of glass that sits on top of and complements existing investments you made in TMS systems, booking platforms, ERP system, and focuses on load optimization, planning optimization, route optimization, and gives you a single view to handle disruptions and re-optimize as they occur. So the landing page, as you see, sits down on front. It starts with a chat interface. It'll give you different queries that you've searched. The AI that's embedded in the system is designed to complement the process as opposed to dictate the process. So in this industry, we know that across your supply chain, there's going to be various levels of technology acumen, various levels of digitization, so we just designed it to account for that that's going to occur. So how do we accelerate the process, provide the best data, and allow the application to grow as your supply chain grows? So you can go in here, look at your queries, you can hop into the chat, and it'll allow it to go through and begin some prompts for you. You can see your highest performing routes, your lowest performing routes, you can look at what ports need your attention, or you can hop right in and begin saying what shipments need my attention today, and launch your routing dashboard. Now, as you see on there, it has a view for multimodality, so it's going to allow you to plan your routes and plan your loads across multiple modalities of transportation. So it'll show you which ones are awaiting consolidation, which ones are ready for optimized, which ones you have optimized, and which ones are out there. You'll see some analytics in there that you can double click into. These can be completely customized, whether you want to see on-time pickups, deliveries, revenue performance. You can determine what type of dashboard you want to see there. Now, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the orders that you need to now fix any data remediations or what's planned to consolidate today. You click on View All Orders. It'll instantly bring up those ones that have exception on them. In this one, you can see it's a dangerous item. It's missing a classification. This can happen for a number of different reasons. It could be it's a multimodal shipment where there is some discrepancy between air and trucking, and allow you to either go in and edit it manually or drop in, click Consolidate Shipments, and it'll look to auto-apply a code. Again, you can change it, edit it, but we want to try to use that AI to complement what you're doing. So now once you have everything ready to optimize, you can click your route optimization, and what it's going to do in the background is begin going through and taking a look at all your different routes. It's going to pull in port information, it's going to pull in flight information, it's going to pull in weather information, it's going to pull in all this information that you can look at for what would be the best modality of transportation, considering your on-time delivery dates, considering cost factors, and allow you to go through and see what's out there. It's also going to flag exceptions to your route. So in this instance, there is a flight cancellation at Heathrow. It'll allow you to go and view alternative routes. It'll go through and it naturally defaults to the fastest and the cheapest. It'll give you the pricing information. It'll give you the contact information, and it'll allow you to go ahead and then select that new route and confirm your alternate route. Once you have that done, you can submit your plan to the TMS, and you're on your way. Now, when you get back to your main dashboard, another interesting feature that we put into this is how do you manage disruptions en route? And this could be a multimodal disruption, this could be an ongoing disruption, but it'll flag it, it'll send an alert, it'll drop you back into the intelligence hub. The Gen AI will give you a brief summary of the disruption, what was the cause of it, where it's at, and then go into your network of vendors, suppliers, brokers, and begin searching for those who can help you remediate this. It'll give you a driver, it'll give you a company, it'll give you the on-time performance percentage, it'll give you contact information, or it'll allow you to go through and connect to it and try to contact that driver to book it without any of the need for other remediation. So once you get to this stage and it's out there contacting it, the natural question is, well, was there some disruption to my planning now? Now do I have half a load? Do I have a partial load because of this disruption that occurred? You can jump into your capacity module. You can go into your planning activities and see what active plans you have, which ones are still in the selling stage, which ones are in the planning stage, which ones are in the building stage, and hop right into one of your plans and take a view. Now, it'll give you a layout configuration. This layout configuration is based on the modality of transportation. So if it's just going on a plane, it might put it in a ULD. It might just be on a truck, on a pallet if it's going on a truck. But if it's going between these different modes of transportation, it'll select the right pallet container based on that modality of transportation. It'll give you your revision history, your available capacity, so you can go through and try to dynamically book or dynamically price as these factors change, and allow you to look at each individual parcel to see any special handling codes, dimensions, and then mark things as must go. So if you see here, this one's marked as must go. It's a low priority. Priority defaults to just the revenue you're going to get from that flight. You can change that priority. But if you mark it must go, even though it's a low priority, it might be a high priority customer, high profile customer. You can go through and mark it as must go. You can also do another way to interact with your team on the ground, building the container. You can hop into your build mode. You can again go through here, mark any loads or exceptions. So sometimes you might get a package that shows up and the DIMs are off. So you can change those dimensions, mark an exception, or hop into your 3D builder if you're on the ground and get a step-by-step guide of how to build that pallet, what needs to be there, accounting for all the weight sensitivities, freight sensitivities, cohabitation sensitivities, and build your plan. So what we've looked to design here at Unisys is just a simple way to bring AI into your ecosystem, to meet you where you're at on that journey, not create another data project, but just improve the process. And as data gets more digitized, the models get smarter, the application gets smarter, and overall your organization becomes smarter. Thank you.